Okay, now see me and my sleepers. My sleepers walking down to look for something that they not lost. So I've been in this particular place for a long time till I heard that there is a river bank down the road. So I just had to take a walk and see how it looks like. Yes, so this is where I'm at right now. I see people doing their day-to-day thing. I see like people are like, this is for real. Like I'm in this place whereby there is so much civilization, and at the end of the day I'm hearing that you have to cross the road to go to another place in the same place or more. So I thought to myself, man, let's just try it out. Let me see if I could have a trip in the canoe. So I asked the guy what's up. He said okay, it's like 15 or 10 minutes. So I just took my myself inside the canoe. I paid money. To be honest, I had to.
Okay, 100 naira. About 100 naira.
All right, so as we speak, the guy is getting his money, and àwọn eléyìí ẹ̀yin gbé rice, àwọn rice 50k, ẹ má worry. I don't know, Yamaha is always the product too for this kind of thing. Alright, so at this point, enjoy the ride. See you at the other side. Bye. At some point, I even see a banner of church. Jesus reigns. Jesus everywhere, even on the road or the water. So I'm quite amazed because in this kind of place where everything looks tush and the road network is good, there is a river somewhere that people are crossing to go to their house. It's a small world, or what would I say? It's a mysterious world actually. All right, we go to the park, the final destination. Some people call it the jet sea, but I feel like at the end of the day, we are going to find our way. I probably might not see these people for a very long time, because I came here to visit. But people would always go about their day-to-day activities, and I'm really grateful that I came here to have this experience. And you guys can also come here if you want to. So that's the end, man. The end of Queen Cinema. So please do well to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you all. One love. Ego B.